Hello everyone. In this session, we will discuss how to make use of user-defined modules with the example. Let us go to the VS Code to understand it with the example. Here you can see that we have created one file mechanics.py and it is having three data, two functions and one variable. First function is def calculate stress, which will calculate the stress and return the value based on the two input force and area. Second is calculate torque. It is having again two arguments and it will return the final calculated torque to the defined function. And the third is density is provided, that is material density equal to 7850. So here you can see that this generated file mechanics.py is the user defined module, and we may use this module in the another file also based on our need. But for that the import statement is required, as we have discussed in our previous sessions. So let us say we want to access this mechanics module into this other file, that is main.py. Now to access this module, the foremost important statement is import statement. If we want to import all the properties of the mechanics module, we will write import then module name, and in our case the module name is mechanics. Then after we have provided the two variables force and area. Now to calculate the stress, we can call the function available within the calculate stress. We can call the function available within mechanics module, that is the calculate stress, and for that we will write mechanics dot calculate stress, and we need to provide the two argument, and it will calculate the stress based on the given data, and the answer is stored into the variable named stress, and then after the answer is printed based on the required format. Second, as we have already seen, we can import the specific functionality of these module also. So for that we will write from mechanics import calculate torque. So it will only import the property calculate torque and remaining will remain hidden. So after importing the same, we may calculate the torque by providing the different data. The third option is we can import the mechanics module with the different allies also, and for that we may write import mechanics as mech. So to access now different properties, we may use this name mech. So suppose we want to access the density, so density equal to mech dot, it is having the variable material underscore density. And the last one is we may import all the properties of the mechanics module, and for that we may write from mechanics import star. So it will import all the functions and variables from these mechanics module, and again we may use any of the functionalities based on our requirement. So I hope you got the idea. The methodology will remain same. It may be the built-in module, user defined module, or the third party module. We need to first import the required module, and then based on the import statement we may access the different variables or the properties of the imported module. Let us run the program to just check the output. So here you can see that we are getting the output based on the required input. So I hope you got the idea how we may use the user defined function, and we may import that function into the different programs also. So we may reuse the code based on our requirement. In our next session, we will discuss about how to use ChatGPT for function design and the code modularity. So looking forward to see you all in our further session. Till then, thank you.